What if I told you there's a tool that can turn your website's text into lifelike audio in just seconds? No more recording studios, no more editing, just realistic AI voices that bring your content to life. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. It's GSpeech. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how GSpeech can help you engage your audience like never before. Whether you're a blogger, content creator, or business owner, this is a game changer. Stick around, because you don't want to miss this. GSpeech is an AI-powered voice generator that converts text into realistic audio content. With over 230 voices and support for 70+ languages, it's perfect for creating audio versions of your blogs, articles, or product pages. But here's the best part. It's not just about converting text. GSpeech lets you customize the audio player, track listener stats, and even translate your content for a global audience. It's like having a personal audio studio at your fingertips. Let me break it down for you. Here's why GSpeech is a must-have tool. Realistic AI voices. Choose from 230+ lifelike voices to narrate your content. Whether you want a professional tone or something more casual, GSpeech has you covered. 70+ languages. Reach a global audience by translating and converting your text into audio in over 70 languages. Customizable audio player. Match the player's design to your website's vibe. Choose from full page, button, or circle designs. Real-time updates. Any changes to your text, GSpeech updates the audio in real time, so your content is always up to date. Whether you're adding audio to your blog, creating multilingual content, or just making your website more engaging, GSpeech makes it easy. Let me show you how it works. Here's how easy it is to turn text into audio with GSpeech. 1. Upload text. Copy and paste your text into GSpeech, or connect it directly to your website. 2. Choose a voice. Select from 230+ voices and adjust the speed and pitch to match your style. 3. Customize the player. Pick a player design that fits your website's look and feel. 4. Publish. Embed the audio player on your website and you're done. See how easy that was? No more complicated setups or expensive recording equipment. GSpeech does it all for you. Now here's the best part. GSpeech is offering an exclusive lifetime deal for just $59. That's right, no monthly fees, no hidden costs. Just a one-time payment for lifetime access to all features. This deal won't last forever, so if you're ready to take your website to the next level, click the link in the description and grab it now. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. To recap, GSpeech is the ultimate tool for turning text into realistic audio. It's perfect for bloggers, content creators, and businesses looking to engage their audience in a whole new way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tips like this. And if you've tried GSpeech, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.